This curl jelly is $44. What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. So before we get started with this video, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I call all my subscribers my cousins because I'm from the South, and in the South everybody got a cousin, okay? So this video is not sponsored, but I am going to be testing and reviewing pretty much the entire line of products from Oribe. They invited me to come to a launch here in LA. Probably about 3 weeks ago. They were launching an entire new line of products, and I had an emergency come up and I couldn't attend the event. So they were nice enough to go ahead and just send me the products so that I could try them for myself. Last week I did see Kimberly Sherrill try the deep conditioner on her channel, so I'm not going to be doing like a full deep condition review on this channel. Just, you know, check out her video after this one. But I did deep condition my hair. I've used this deep conditioner twice now, and I still have a good amount in there, so a little bit goes a long way. But I don't want to touch too much on this right now because I have a separate video that I do have the priming leave-in conditioner detangler already in my hair. Also, all these products are curly girl friendly. If you guys still follow curly girl method, they don't contain any silicone, so I was really excited about that. You guys know that I have been just on a search to find a fluffier, more full, more still defined, but kind of like big, fluffy, more froed out type of look with my hair. I've been trying products with less hold, even though I am strictly an eco styler gel girl, okay? I can get, you know, good results from other products, especially now that my expectations for my end goal are different. So I am going to be going in with the Styling Butter Curl Enhancing Cream. I am going to be following up with the Curl Jelly for shine and definition. That's literally what it says. So in just a few seconds, I'm gonna stop talking and just let you guys watch the styling portion. But one thing that I did want to say that I was surprised when I opened this up. Also, this smells really good. It smells different. It's still perfumey, but it smells different from the other ones. It smells really good. But one thing that I wanted to show you guys, this is actually like a jelly. Like, I was thinking this was going to be a cream. The consistency seems really promising, y'all. Like super promising, and it smells so good. So this is what my hair looked like with just the leave-in detangler in it, and it definitely was one of my favorite products from the line. Traditionally, I would go in directly with the jelly after like a leave-in or a hair milk, but I went ahead and put the curl cream, I don't know, I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it all in the description box, but I went ahead and put the other curl defining cream right on top of the leave-in detangler, and that's what my hair looks like with the curl cream in it. And that gripped my hair really good, but not enough for like a cream only wash and go, in my opinion, I don't think. So now I'm going in on top with the curl defining cream, and here is where I was just like I could already tell, I don't know, I was feeling a kind of way, and you're gonna start to be able to see it all in my face. I just was feeling a way because I was not feeling like the product was gripping onto my hair. You guys know when you use a heavier product like a heavy gel or a gel to define your curls, it really grips and smooths your hair, and I rarely ever get that from jellies. And this acts just like, you know, your other creams and jellies. So I found myself having to go over it over and over and over again, just trying to get my hair smooth so that I could reduce the most frizz as possible. I also worked in smaller sections to kind of try to help the product distribute, and I tried not to run any kind of styling utensils through my hair because that also, you know, aids in frizz. So I pretty much finger detangled and just smoothed my hair the entire way through. I did not shingle this wash and go because sometimes when products are lighter hold, like if they don't grip my hair like I'm telling this product is not gripping my hair. I find that if I like shingle it and like try to like go and pull my hair apart, it frizzes a little bit more. So I'm just doing the praying hands method and just trying to get my hair as smooth as possible, and then obviously my curls will break apart as they begin to dry. Halfway done, and I am just gonna say this. The reason that I like heavy gels like Eco Styler gels, and I stay away from like jellies, like a lot of the popular jellies that a lot of you guys always recommend and use, and just that certain jelly consistency like this product, the reason I stay away from it is because I feel like it doesn't grip my hair. Usually end up feeling like I have like a really thick conditioner on my hair instead of a product with hold that's meant to grip and smooth my curls. And that's just like this whole right side of my head pretty much seems like it's already getting frizzy, and this is where I tend to get really frustrated with my wash and goes, and sometimes I don't finish it. So many people say that they have problems with their roots getting really frizzy, and for me it's never my roots, it's this little middle portion here. And I don't know if it's because my hair is long and that is the part of my hair that usually sits on my shoulders or touches my hair, it gets kind of like moved around or whatever, but this part, when it's not a heavy gel that really grips my hair, I feel like it doesn't grip this part, and this is the part that always gets frizzy. That's why I get really frustrated, because my whole thing is I like big hair, I like, you guys know I am going for the fluffier hair, but I don't like to spend all that time doing my hair and it's just already freezing on me before it's even dry. Like, it just makes me so discouraged and unmotivated. And I know like perception is everything. It may be because I started off learning to do my wash and goes on heavier gels. I just have a certain expectation, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so I'm finished and it looks okay, but I will say I had to go in after I finished my entire head and just reapply product and redefine like in smaller sections along the canopy of my head, because as you guys know, the canopy of my head is really my problem area. It's the frizziest part of my hair. It's the part of my hair that has the hardest time taking to product. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to have a lot of definition underneath. Like in that area, that's usually where all my definition is. And then at the top, I'm really hoping that this turns out good, just because, you know, nobody likes to waste their time. So I am hoping for the best. I did everything that I could. I did 2 different techniques. I wet my hair super down on this side. I did it on more damp-ish hair on this side. I worked the product thoroughly through my hair. I used the entire line for this wash and go. So I am literally like, alright guys, these are the final results, and as you guys can tell, I'm smiling, so clearly I like them. I am pleasantly surprised how well this wash and go withstood the definition that I kept, even through blow drying my hair. So if you guys don't know how I blow dry my wash and goes, I'll just make sure that I leave a link to that video in the cards as well as in the description box. But like I said, I let my hair air dry for about 3 hours, and then I blow dry my hair for about 30 minutes, and I did do it on high heat and high speed, and it still looks good. I need a haircut. I need to shape up really bad, but it still looks good, and it's pretty much exactly what I expected it to be. It looks like it could be like third day hair on day one, which, you know, I'm not mad at. Like I said, I have been going for bigger, fluffier looks. I just think when you have always styled your wash and go one way, you get very ingrained in getting your hair to, you know, look like what worked for you originally, and just kind of, you know, like untraining my brain, you know, to just kind of wait it out, wait and see, and, you know, have faith in the results. And also, if you guys have watched any of my other like first impression videos, you guys know it is really hard, like really hard to impress me when it comes to wash and go products. I would apologize for being that way, but I won't. Like, it is really hard. Like, I am very critical, but that just goes to show I was pretty critical the entire way through, and I love my hair. Now, I can't say, because like I said earlier in this video, one of the reasons that I like to have more definition on day one is so that I can stretch my hair longer if I choose to. I can't say whether or not this is going to hold up with it being, you know, as big as it is on day one, if it's going to hold up. For that, you guys will just have to, you know, follow me on social media and, you know, get my updates about that price. Like I said, this product is a $44 product, okay? So even with me being super critical of wash and go products, like, just realistically, would I go out and spend $44? I wouldn't. Like, I can't see myself, no matter how much I like in a product, spending $44 just regularly on something that I'm going to show you guys. This is how much I used. So that's how much I have left, which is 2 wash and goes. Like, I can realistically get 2 wash and goes out of this jar, but that's still, you know, getting 2 uses out of a $44 jar. If you have less hair than me, you may get more uses out of it. If you have more hair than me, you may only get 1 use out of it. But as far as the product in itself, they do market themselves as a luxury brand. Like, you know, they are out here marketing themselves to be like an affordable or department store brand or anything like that. They are a high-end brand, so there are people who are in that market who they are marketing to. And if this is in your market, or this is in your budget, or this is in, you know, something you want to try, then, you know, sis, they made this for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Would I recommend these products if you are in the market for these products? Absolutely. If luxury brands, if you are in the market for luxury brands, just like luxury foundation, we don't need luxury foundation, but we like to use it, okay? There's, you know, department store foundations that, you know, work the same. I don't care that people like, you can get them to work good for you, okay? So same thing. Same thing with hair product. My hair looks good. Like, I couldn't fake the results. You guys know I was skeptical the whole way through. Like, I was not really trying to hear it from these wash and go. But yeah, I liked it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Like and subscribe, sis, bro, cousin. Become my cousin. Subscribe to my channel. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video. And I will see all y'all in the next upload.